Welcome to Hook a Bag. Today I'm going to show you how to completely make over your fireplace mantle for Valentine's Day, and all done by hand. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make your very own Valentine's Day heart pillows. And afterwards we're going to make these party hats because everybody needs a good Valentine's Day party. And the last thing we're going to do is make these heart garlands. So everything is super easy. It shouldn't take you very long. So grab your cup of coffee and let's get started. So these are the heart pillows I'm making, and I just chose a couple of fabrics that I had lying around, and these happen to be the ones. So just pick something that you like the look of. That's all that matters. So I cut the fabric into heart shapes, and if you have fabric with print, make sure the print faces the inside so that when you flip the heart the other way around, the outside shows and you don't see all the stitching. So I'm just sewing everything together at this point. So as you get to the part where you only have about 4 or 5 inches left, stop stitching, and we're going to flip the heart inside out and fill it, and then we're going to go back and stitch that last little part. But you need to have room to be able to stuff it. And once you've stuffed it, go back and sew that last little piece together, folding the edges inside so that you don't have any fraying along the edge of the heart. So these party hats are just painted paper. You can use construction paper for sure, but I wanted to change up the colors a little bit, so I painted a couple of these. And then I cut out fabric hearts from leftover material from my pillows and glued them on with Elmer's school glue. To make a cone, first cut a big semicircle out, and then we're gonna fold it into a cone shape, and I like to hold it together with double-sided tape because it's the easiest and quickest way to close it up. So these are a couple of my painted cones, and all I'm gonna do is glue my hearts that I cut out from fabric onto these, and again, I'm just using Elmer's school glue. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. I like to overlap the hearts a little bit just to give it more of an artistic design too. So there you go, aren't those cute? So I absolutely love these hearts, and I glue them onto twine, and they're double-sided so we can hide the twine. And I wrote messages on the hearts, so they're a little bit more Valentine's Day oriented. So just in case I forgot to mention it, I cut 5 pieces of twine that are all in this big ball right now. And each one is about 4 feet long because I want each row to be about 4 feet. And that will give it a little bit of wiggle room as far as length when it hangs from my fireplace mantle. I hope you enjoyed making over your fireplace mantle, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.